Are you ready? Let's go.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Welcome to Krabi Outlet Village. Tucked away about 10 to 15 minutes from Krabi town. It's not exactly on the tourist trail. Most people head straight for Nang or the islands, so this spot is often missed. But if you're up for something different, it's a peaceful little detour. Krabi Outlet Village is located just off Route 4, a short drive from Krabi town, and not far from Big Sea and Lotuses. It's easy to reach by car or motorbike. I'll include the exact address and Google Maps link in the video description for your convenience. As you can see, it's rather quiet here. Unlike the buzzing malls in Bangkok or Phuket, the vibe is calm and unhurried. You won't find crowds jostling for deals or endless escalators. Instead, it's a spacious open-air layout with palm trees, wide paths and a relaxed, breezy atmosphere that feels almost sleepy. The inventory can be hit or miss, but that's part of the outlet charm. Sometimes you score a branded pair of trainers for half the usual price. Other times, it's mostly leftover sizes. Still, for those who enjoy bargain hunting or need last-minute gear for island hopping, it's worth a look.
Then the ladies section sana lah. Mami, go to the right, go to the right.
Accessibility is easy if you have a scooter or rental car. Parking is free, and since it's so quiet, you'll find a spot right away. If you're staying in Krabi town or Nang and want to escape the beach crowd for an hour, this makes for a relaxed side trip.
Factory brand shoe kat sini. Yeah, correct. So, Andy, you all go inside here lah. Mommy, I will bring.
There's not much food inside, but just outside are a few small local stalls and a cafe. They serve basic Thai snacks, grilled meats, drinks, and of course, Thai iced tea. It's a good stop to cool off and take a break after walking through the quiet rows of shops.
Mommy, yeah, but sana. Tak apa, tak apa. You go inside there. Dia boleh duduk di sini. Macam mana boleh tengok-tengok. You also can quickly sun. And this is not the only one, no. This is also...
What's nice is that nobody here is pushy. The staff let you browse in peace, and the whole area feels unrushed. It's a good spot for couples or families while one person shops. The other can chill under a shaded bench or sip a drink nearby. No pressure, no noise.
Just leave them here. I don't want you to like waste time.
Let's talk about the brands. One of the highlights here is the Timberland outlet, offering good deals on boots, backpacks, and outdoor wear. You'll also find Adidas, Nike, Levi's, Giordano, and some Thai brands. Discounts range from 30% to 70%, depending on the season and what's on clearance.
This one is Lacoste.
You'll find Big C Supercenter, just about 200 meters before reaching the outlet village. An easy detour for groceries or electronics. A bit further along, around 400 meters, is Lotus's, formerly Tesco Lotus, a popular CP Group hypermarket known for fresh produce and household goods. Both stores are within walking distance, making the outlet a handy stop if you want to combine outlet shopping with everyday essentials. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.